Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable lock screen on Windows 11. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Control Panel, click Personalization. Click Do Not Display the lock screen. Change to Enabled, click Apply, click OK. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.